Starting solids is a big step for your baby. It is a time of growth and discovery. What you feed your baby now matters. Homemade baby food is the best way to nourish your little one. Making baby food at home is easier than you think. You can choose fresh ingredients. You can control what goes into each bite. Homemade food helps your baby try new flavors. It helps them learn to eat different textures. This is important for their development. Making baby food is a rewarding experience. You are giving your baby the best start in life. Homemade baby food is packed with nutrients. Fresh fruits and vegetables have more vitamins. They have more minerals than processed foods. You know exactly what your baby is eating. Store-bought baby food can be expensive. Making your own is budget-friendly. You can use seasonal ingredients. This saves you money. You control the ingredients in homemade baby food. You can avoid added sugars and salts. These are not good for babies. Homemade baby food is a labor of love. It is the healthiest and most affordable way to feed your little one. This recipe is simple and delicious. Your baby will love it. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana. Instructions: peel the banana. Mash the banana with a fork. Add a little breast milk or formula to reach desired consistency. You can also steam or bake the banana for a different texture. This recipe is easy to adjust. You can add other fruits or vegetables. You can create your own unique blends. Always wash your hands and utensils thoroughly. Use clean cutting boards. This prevents the spread of germs. Cook fruits and vegetables until they are soft. This makes them easier for your baby to digest. Let the food cool completely before feeding it to your baby. Test the temperature to avoid burns. You can store leftover baby food in the refrigerator. Use airtight containers. Food can be stored for up to 2 days. Making your own baby food ensures it is safe and healthy. Start your baby on a journey of healthy eating.